So the entire world, especially advanced nations, today are talking of digital detox. Many countries in Europe and Australia have banned the use of cell phones by anybody below the age of 16. But yesterday, I was shocked to see a reel made by a girl who is between the age of 8 and 9. She was dancing on some street, dancing in some mall, some store. A school kid of Shillong, aged between 8 and 9. And I also noticed that she already has 8,000 followers. What is this digital? In our case, it's not digital detox. We are practicing digital intox. And what are the immediate impact of early use of mobile phones by students and teachers sending their assignments and lessons online to the mobile phones of the parents? Under the guise of studying, students are now suffering from poor concentration, sleep disturbance, anxiety, depression, stress, headaches. A study conducted by Ms. D. Pasak in 2025 on Between Likes and Learning, the role of social media in the lives of higher secondary students in Jowai Town, found that social media has both positive and negative effects. While it supports learning and communication, it clearly indicates that excessive use of and unregulated use of mobile phones has led students to very poor capacity to concentrate and also affected interpersonal relationships. So does the department have any state-level data on the number or proportion of school children in Meghalaya who will be experiencing excessive or problematic mobile phone, internet, and social media use? Because Meghalaya-specific clinical data remains limited, I would like to pose this question. Has the government undertaken, or does it propose to undertake, a comprehensive statewide study covering school children in both urban and rural areas to assess the relationship between digital device use and mental health? A study in neighboring Assam reported significant levels of internet addiction associated with the mental issues which I have mentioned. This is something that the government and the department concerned must take immediate note of. What about counseling and mental health support? Will the government consider collaborating with health institutions and educational institutions using validated tools to assess smartphone and social media use among school children and its possible relationship with their mental and physical health? What are we doing to ensure that the digital devices intended to educate and empower our children do not compromise their health, education, sleep, well-being, which is the entire goal of education